jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Through the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the markers, join the chorus. La 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. La 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. La 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 la. As the radio year passes. La 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 la. Hear the new year lads and lasses. La 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 la. Sing we joyous all together. La 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. La 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 la. Hey, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifting pit and baby got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now the ground is white, go it while you're young. Take the girls to wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Quick? Do you just, stuff your face? Oh, of course, we know that. So how are the reindeers doing?
Doing real good.
Okay.
They're all ready.
Uh-huh.
They've got a little while, but they're all prepared.
Okay.
They're working out. I don't use them until Christmas Eve.
Oh, they're resting up.
Yes. They only can do that once.
Okay. What about Rudolph? How's he?
Well, he's ready if needed.
Okay.
But we never know.
Right, on standby.
He's on standby.
Okay, Santa, I have a couple questions.
What's that?
I'm not gonna ask if you can get me a Louis Vuitton for Christmas. I'm gonna ask who's gonna win the Ohio State-Indiana game. Indiana?
Well, that's a close one.
I know, yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I'm going to say the winning team will have red on their uniform.
Oh, Santa. Ain't he clever? So, I think there's only one thing left to do, Santa. What do you think it is? Go shopping?
A countdown?
A countdown? To light up 2 million lights?
Is there anybody here?
We got a couple people. All right.
We're going to start.
Wait.
Oh.
Are you all ready? Yeah! Are you guys ready?